Hello. Today I was reading a class 6th social science textbook. I came across a lesson called New Religions and I read about Buddhism. We all know about Lord Buddha. We all know the story of Buddha and his enlightenment. Today, I want to talk about awareness. Awareness. Osho says, whatsoever you do it with awareness. Whatsoever you do it with awareness. Awareness opens up the window to a new world. Awareness opens up a window to a new world. Now, why awareness is very important? Let us think of the story of Buddha. Buddha was not Buddha. Buddha was actually a prince. Buddha was Siddhartha, right? Siddhartha, when he was born, the astrologers predicted that he may turn into sainthood. He will not live a family life. Okay, so the king was very concerned and he put the young prince Siddhartha, kept him inside the palace for so many years, right? And he never allowed anything which will disturb his mindset. And suddenly, one day, as the boy was growing up, okay, naturally his inner urge, inner tendency asked him to move out. So one day, he just came out of the palace, and as he was walking through the streets, he saw an old man, a sickly old man. He wondered, what is this? Why the man is sick? And why is he old? He asked people. They said it's very natural. As he moved further and further, he saw a dead body being carried and coming. He asked, what is this? And they said, this is a dead body. And anyone who is born has to die. So Siddhartha wondered, what is this? Something new experience. And as he moved further, he came across a beggar. And beggar, he was asking for alms. And he asked why. This man doesn't have a place to stay. He doesn't have food to eat. Now, nobody can answer. Poverty, sickness, death, they all are part of life. So, that thing, the spark in his mind. If this is so, what is the reason for suffering? Why the people are suffering? What makes people suffer? So far, I have lived inside the palace a wonderful life, a luxurious life, without any problems. But the moment I step out of the palace, I see all these things. Yes, then, as you know the story, he sat under the Bodhi tree, he got enlightenment. Dear friends, it can be an imaginary story. Siddhartha, Prince Siddhartha, coming out of the palace may be symbolic. He came out understanding the world from his inner self to the outer self. And he questioned why suffering. Now, don't we see old people, our own grandfather, grandmother. Don't we see we ourselves get sick? And don't we see beggars in the roadside? Don't we see people dying and we all attend the funeral services? We go for it. We see death due to any reason, maybe illness or old age or accident. So these are all common occurrences. But why not I and you become Buddha? See, the experiences are nothing new. If the experiences are what we also watch and we also observe, then don't you think we also should become like Buddha? Is it not possible? Yes, there is possibility of us too becoming Buddha. But there is only one key to that. And that key is awareness. In this 6 months, 8 months after the coronavirus had come, we all had been locked down and we had a different scenario. From the fast-paced rat race life, everything came to a halt. And we couldn't do anything. And now, what one can learn, one can realize is man is neither omnipotent nor impotent. This is what famous philosopher Bertrand Russell said. He said, man is neither omnipotent, is not God, nor impotent, not that he cannot do anything. Yes, we can do something, but that something we can do only when we slow down and we become aware of what we do. Let us all try to evolve into better human being and be aware of what we do. Thank you.